What's the meaning of baby fat? Baby fat. Baby fat.
Baby fat. Baby fat. Baby fat refers to the soft layer of fat that is naturally present on the bodies of infants and young children. The term commonly refers to excess body fat that persists into adulthood and can be difficult to shed. While some individuals may outgrow their baby fat as they age, others may struggle with weight management and continue to carry excess body fat into adulthood. This can lead to an increased risk of various health issues, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Maintaining a healthy diet and regular exercise can help reduce and manage baby fat.